Did Ripple just get exposed for market shenanigans? Oh, I've got a story for you. Along with XRP price talk, market makers in trouble for dumping on the public. No strategic reserve for the UK.
I'm a dirty boy, and this is your warning.
That's right, leaked emails in regards to Ripple's SEC case exposes some shenanigans. But before we get into the crypto news, like all the gross read up on the screen, by the way, happy Monday to y'all. Your comments come first because you, the viewer, matter most. Titanium dropping support on the channel and says thank you. Well, thank you for the support. You're very welcome, and I'm glad to bring you the news, whether it's good or bad, happy or sad. Donald Washburn flexing the guns. Love it, my guy. Says, just finished a nice outdoor cardio session. Ooh, a man after my heart. Love that. Good luck with your upcoming race. If H-bar drops below 20 cents and XRP below 210, I'll buy a bunch. I've got my targets. What are yours? Oh, and by the way, I race in less than a week, so I won't be around on Saturday because I've got 100 miles to do in 24 hours. Selfish, loving the name, says you need to read the order. We have tons of crypto already in hand, seized, but just sold whenever by the U.S. Marshals. That's to be consolidated into the fund without adding to the debt because it was seized. Not the news we're looking for, not immediate but huge. Selfish, I checked the wallets. We don't have that much seized crypto. In fact, after we deduct the BTC and ETH, we only have about $300 million left. That ain't shit, dude. Navigating the Matrix, says Michael, talking about Sailor, says needs to lay off the enhanced weed. This makes crypto holders look stupid for real. That's right, Sailor said, yo, government, buy $8.1 trillion worth of crypto every year for the next 10 years. Dude, my guy, whatever you're smoking, please be sharing. Bitcoin sitting at 79,820. This is not good. The traditional markets opened up and they are not happy with the weekend news. ETH 2020 sold at 121, ADA at 70 cents, Doge at 16.6, XLM 25, XRP at 210. Hey, we're at your buy targets. Are you buying the bags? My target's a bit lower. UK Treasury says no plans to introduce a US style BTC reserve. That's right, the UK is like, no, girlfriend. No, we're not getting into this shit. The UK government's Treasury Department has no plans to launch a strategic reserve as it deems that cryptocurrency's volatility is unsuitable for the UK. This is according to a spokesperson for the Treasury who responded to the protesters' questions about the position in the U.S. introduction for a strategic reserve and whether or not the U.S. would follow suit. Listen to this. According to the spokesperson, Bitcoin and other crypto assets have been historically volatile assets relative to stable fiat currencies like the US dollar and commodities such as gold. They claim this volatility makes BTC less suitable as a reserve asset for the UK. And we already saw that the European Central Bank, Lagarde, was like, no, girlfriend, we don't want that shit either. Damn, so now we have a poopy strategic reserve in the United States made up by assets we already have. We're just going to frickin' relabel it a strategic reserve. Oh, and for those of you out there that are like, but bro, we should be selling stuff in order to do it. I completely agree. Check out what I have in my hand right here up on the screen. I have my Garmin Dual HRM. I don't use it anymore because I use an armband. So what I'm doing is I'm actually selling my fitness accessories that I don't need anymore to raise some capital to buy some Pokemon cards and some 1989 Cardist Mario cards. Oh, you see the slabs over there? That's right, baby, PSA 10s. I'm doing what the government should have been doing, selling assets you don't need and buying shit you want. Binance bans a market maker. Oh, we've heard about this. Listen to the nastiness of the details here because we know a lot of these market makers should go away. Crypto exchange has confiscated illicit profits from a market maker involved in misconduct with GPS and shell tokens. The exchange's response involved offboarding the market maker and confiscating the proceeds. Binance plans to use these funds to compensate affected GPS and shell holders. Whoa, is this going to get messy? The market maker's actions resulted in a $5 million loss due to its failure to maintain a balanced and buy-sell orders. This is what they did, and this is how fucked up market makers are. 300 million GPS tokens located outside Binance were used for market-making activities. The market maker reportedly sold 70 million of these tokens within 21 hours, making a profit of $5 million. But they didn't buy any. That's the whole point of a market maker, right? To keep the markets moving, to be buying and selling, to keep the liquidity going. But no, this market maker was like, yo, let's dump on retail. We need to fix wash trading in crypto. We need to fix market makers. We need to fix a whole bunch of shit. While Binance works on a compensation plan for affected users, the market reaction has been mixed. GPES plunged by 11% while Shell's token price saw an uptick after the initial decline. Yeah, because people dumped it and then they were like, yo, we gotta buy because it's so low. But this is because of market makers. Solana's down 29% in 2025 despite liquidity surge in U.S. crypto stockpile inclusions. Think about it. Solana mentioned directly, and Solana had a lot of support outside of FTX. Solana right now, $121. Could we be seeing sub 100 Solana here in the next few weeks? Oh, some of us are going to be reaching our big bag buy orders because some of us got lots of dry powder on the sideline. But think about that. Solana mentioned directly, and they've lost 25% since the start of 2025. Oh, and if you want to check this article out and all the other ones, it's linked to everyone in the description below. Oh, you thought we weren't going to sing on this Monday? Well, this is race week, ladies. We're going to be singing every day because I'm going to be stressed AF, nervous about my upcoming race. Stock of the day. Oh, how about not stock of the day? Coinbase falls 10% on Crypto Summit disappointment. So it's not just us and the alts to BTC. It's even the crypto companies out there. The companies that are going to be used to store the crypto, right? Remember, because Coinbase has like their stuff that they're going to use to store their crypto for the government. They do that now. But it's also Coinbase losing money because traders out there are like, yo, big fucking nothing burger. So even traditional finance stocks tied into crypto are feeling the burn. Ooh, this isn't good about Ripple having a little bit of a PR strategy, a negative PR strategy. Leaked emails reveal Ripple's coordinated PR strategy against BTC and Ethereum. All right, hey, look, if people are taking pot shots at you, you probably should take shots back at them. I don't know if I'm necessarily upset about this one, because I gotta be honest, if someone's saying stupid shit about me, you think I'm gonna take it? Hell no, girlfriend, I'm gonna roast their ass. And if they threaten me enough, I almost said something naughty. I'm not. According to the disclosed emails, Ripple executives actively worked on a narrative that portrayed Bitcoin as being controlled by China. China. The emails, which date back to 2018, reveal a strategic effort to push this claim while positioning XRP tokens as a superior alternative. The email contains a section titled China and Bitcoin, where Ripple execs discussed their messaging about Bitcoin's mining centralization. This feels similar to what Brad and Blank said publicly about Bitcoin being run by China. This indicates that CEO Brad Garlinghouse past claims of Bitcoin centralization were not observations, but organized public relations strategies. Oh, and I've got that document right here. This is coming from the Ripple SEC case. So, Ripple fighting back with a little bit of FUD news, a little bit of liar, pants on fire. Is the whole crypto market just a big shit sandwich or a big poop taco? By the way, Taco Tuesday is being renamed, everyone, to Poop Taco Tuesday. Gotta keep up with the times. Yo, this is not good. But I gotta be honest with you. We saw a lot of players out there taking shots at Ripple, so why not Ripple take shots back? Now let's move it on over to Boobala. Oh, David Schwartz. Ripple CTO and speculation on XRP distribution. Okay, again, Boobala's opened his mouth. He's saying the truth, but it's not what the market want to hear. This is what he says. Ripple CTO responded to an ex-user who claimed that fair and equal distribution doesn't need to be an afterthought. I don't see anything unfair about the people who created something keeping as much of the value as they want to give to them. Using consensus is an adversarial way that has fundamental trade-offs to what makes our PL different. Basically what Schwartz is saying, guess what? We made it. We've got the rights to it. So if we benefit from it and the retail segment doesn't, go f*** yourself. That's basically what he said, but without the swearing. I threw that in just because it's race week prep. Can you tell I'm getting excited? I'm getting ready to kick some ass. That's right. And if there's a kid in the race, if there's a lady in the race with a broken foot, my wife's got a broken foot, so I'm kind of making fun of her. Oh, I'm going to pass them, and every time I pass them, I'll be like, choo-choo bitches. That's right. I'm going to rub it in. All right, broader look at the market sees what BTC price dominance. Even though BTC is in the red by 3.6%, some of our other players are down even more. Market cap sliding big time. Oh, shit. More institutional outflows. So the institutional money is staying away. This is the 4-week chart of institutional money up on the screen. You notice how it's bad? Record-breaking outflows, and now even more outflows. The market was like, this strategic reserve is all freaking bullshit. Let's zoom it in, though, to XRP, because I think a lot of us are going to be talking about dry powder. And when is it ready? Oh, look at the oscillations up on the screen. We're going to zoom to the 1 month, and we're going to look at it going this way. You want sub $2 XRP? Easy. It'll be here. I'm not worried about that at all. Why? Because we had some on Sunday, Bloody Sunday. We had some a couple weeks after. We had a little pump and dump-a-roni when it came to the strategic reserve news. And the macros, the big report, which is coming out in 2 days. That's right, Wednesday, which is what everyone... I think, or Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know. It's Wednesday or Thursday. I'll have a live stream regarding it, okay? It's a little early for me in the morning. CPI data rumor is going to be that it sucks balls. But who's making money on XRP? It's the exchanges. 7.7 billion in volume in the last 24 hours. So do I believe XRP is going to dip below $2 again? Hell yeah, I do. Is that low enough for you to drop a big bag, or do you think it could drop to 180? What about 170? It got to 177 when we had Sunday Bloody Sunday. But now with the strategic reserve news being a big frickin' nothing burger, now that we've got the case resolution coming up here and the market's like, okay, we know what's going to happen. That might be a big nothing burger. You could easily see XRP testing even lower than that. Worst part about this is we have completely erased and then some the news of the strategic reserve. Check this out. We were at 222 when the strategic reserve was announced. Right now we're at 209. That's telling you that the market is even less confident now than before we got XRP mentioned directly as strategic reserve. That's why I brought up Solana, because it's not just XRP. Even Sol is down 29% for the year. Sol was another one that was mentioned. There was a lot of institutional interest in Sol as soon as they got the FTX stuff cleared up, because people are like, yo, we don't want to be dumped on by insiders. Doesn't matter. The market right now is like, yo, massive institutional outflows. The strategic reserve was a big nothing taco. XRP price is below even where it was before the strategic reserve. We've erased the gains and then some. We've had pumps and dumps, and now we're fighting $2.09. But let's zoom in, because you got to see something with these candlesticks, okay? This candlestick right here. This one right here. Yeah, you see that one. And this one right here, they're all 208 on the low. 3 times in the last 36 hours, 24, more about like 30 hours, we've hit that 208 mark. We've held it each time. But are we going to keep holding it? Will CPI data coming in hot push us down even lower? Will this push XRP to your buy zone? Do you have dry powder ready? Have you been selling your Garmin accessories to buy more Pokemon cards in crypto? Let me know in the comments down below, because, oh baby, you might need your dry powder for this week, because things might be on sale. Fire sale. And for real, I'm getting rid of my Garmin stuff, my old Phoenix watch, my dual HRM, and I'm using it to buy some Pokemon, some card-ass cards, some crypto, a whole bunch of stuff. I'm taking assets I don't need anymore, selling them for something and buying things that I want. Maybe need, nah, it's all wants for me right now. That's what the government should do. We should find things we don't need anymore. Is there an island we own that we could sell off to someone? How about real estate? Is there some real estate we could sell off? Do we have other assets right now that are completely not being used that we're paying for that we could convert into shit that we want? If it's seized assets, which has been the in vogue thing, we've only got $300 million left from the seized assets in order to buy crypto. That ain't gonna do shit, man. That ain't gonna do jack shit. You got Ripple, a little bit of accusations of throwing shade at BTC and ETH. I really don't have a problem with that. Let's be honest here. They've been throwing shade at XRP and Ripple the whole time, so why not fight back a little bit? I got no problems with Brad and Boobala doing that. By the way, Boobala is out again, saying the truth, which she's not wrong. Ripple does have not authority, but Ripple doesn't have a reason to support retail. thing is to support themselves, to support their private shareholders. So, in terms of Ripple benefiting from XRP, yeah, they're going to benefit from it. They're going to keep selling it. Are they going to use it for stuff? I don't know. We haven't seen much going on. I think they're going to focus a whole bunch on custody and their stablecoin, RLUSD. Now, in terms of price for the crypto market, let's be real here. We are getting way low. And this is after the announcement of the strategic reserve. So what does that tell you? Institutional money is flowing out. It's pumps and dumps. And, well, daddy is selling assets so I can play the pump and dump fun. Why? Because I got a feeling things are going to be on super sale coming up here soon. Because the market's pissed about the strategic reserve. The UK and others are like, yo, we ain't getting into the strategic reserve shit either. It ended up being a big nothing burger, a poop taco, and, well, I've got a race in less than a week. So I'm going to be having fun on Saturday, and I hope you have fun on Saturday too. But until then, I got to bring you the news, good or bad, happy or sad. So what? Garmin, take us out. Choo-choo, bitches.